Welcome to our comprehensive guide on blockchain developer careers. In this series, we will explore how distributed ledger technology is revolutionizing industries and creating exciting career opportunities for developers like you. Whether you're curious about building the next generation of decentralized applications or want to understand the technology behind cryptocurrencies, this is your starting point. Blockchain is a distributed, decentralized ledger that records transactions across multiple computers in a secure and immutable manner. Instead of relying on a single central authority like a bank, blockchain spreads data across many computers. Each transaction is cryptographically secured using advanced mathematics, making it extremely difficult to tamper with. The records are immutable, meaning once they're added, they cannot be changed or deleted. This combination of security and decentralization makes blockchain revolutionary for trustless transactions. Let's understand the fundamental building blocks of blockchain. Blocks are containers that hold transaction data, timestamps, and cryptographic hashes. These blocks are chained together sequentially, with each block referencing the previous one, creating an unbreakable chain of records. Consensus is a mechanism that ensures all computers in the network agree on the validity of transactions before adding them to the blockchain. Cryptography uses mathematical algorithms to secure transactions and verify authenticity, protecting the entire system from fraud and unauthorized access. Blockchains come in three main varieties. Public blockchains like Bitcoin are open to everyone. Anyone can join the network, participate in validation, and view all transactions. Private blockchains are restricted to authorized participants and are typically used by enterprises for internal operations. Hybrid blockchains combine features of both public and private systems, offering flexibility for different use cases. Understanding these distinctions helps you choose the right blockchain platform for specific applications. Smart contracts are self-executing code deployed on blockchain that automatically enforce agreements without intermediaries. Once the conditions in a smart contract are met, the contract executes automatically. This eliminates the need for middlemen, reducing costs and time. Smart contracts are trustless, meaning you don't need to trust a third party because the code itself enforces the rules. The logic is immutable once deployed, providing security and certainty. They are also cost-efficient because they reduce overhead from intermediaries, making transactions cheaper and faster. Several major blockchain platforms dominate the industry. Bitcoin is the pioneering cryptocurrency that introduced blockchain technology and uses proof-of-work consensus. Ethereum is the leading smart contracts platform, written in the Solidity programming language, and powers thousands of decentralized applications. Solana is a high-speed blockchain using proof-of-history consensus, offering rapid transaction processing. Polygon is a Layer 2 scaling solution built on top of Ethereum, providing faster and cheaper transactions while inheriting Ethereum's security. Each platform has different strengths depending on your project's needs. Solidity is the primary programming language for writing smart contracts on Ethereum. A smart contract is structured like a class in traditional programming. State variables store data on the blockchain, persisting between function calls. Functions are methods that can read or modify this data. Access control keywords like public determine who can call these functions. Data types like unsigned integers define what kind of information is stored. Understanding these basics is essential for building secure and efficient smart contracts. The example shown demonstrates a simple contract that stores and updates a single value. Decentralized applications, or DApps, are applications running on blockchain networks with smart contracts as their backend. They offer transparency and give users full control over their data and assets. A DApp has multiple layers working together. The frontend is the web interface that users interact with, similar to traditional websites. Smart contracts form the business logic running on the blockchain. The blockchain layer provides immutable data storage. Finally, the wallet layer manages user identity and assets, allowing users to sign transactions and maintain ownership. Together, These layers create truly decentralized applications. To become a successful blockchain developer, you need multiple skill sets. Programming languages are essential, particularly Solidity for Ethereum, JavaScript for Web3 integration, Python for scripting, and Rust for high-performance systems. Web3 libraries like Web3.js and Ethers.js connect your applications to blockchain networks. Development frameworks like Hardhat and Truffle provide testing and deployment environments. You'll use the Remix IDE for online development or Visual Studio Code for comprehensive projects. Additionally, understand security and testing methodologies and develop knowledge of blockchain concepts like gas mechanics and the Ethereum virtual machine. Blockchain development opens diverse career pathways. Enterprise roles involve integrating blockchain into corporate systems and providing blockchain consultancy for legacy businesses. Startup opportunities focus on building innovative DApps, launching Web3 projects, and developing scaling solutions. Security specialists perform smart contract auditing, identify vulnerabilities, and ensure protocol security. The blockchain industry offers high salaries due to talent scarcity. Most positions support remote work, allowing you to work from anywhere globally. Demand is growing rapidly as more companies adopt blockchain technology. Abundant learning resources exist from communities, online courses, and open-source projects, making it accessible for beginners. Your journey as a blockchain developer follows a clear learning roadmap. First, learn blockchain fundamentals and understand how distributed ledgers work. Second, master Solidity programming to write smart contracts. Third, practice using development frameworks like Hardhat and Truffle to build in a professional environment. Fourth, build and deploy smart contracts to test networks to gain practical experience. Extensive resources support your learning, including official documentation and tutorials from platform developers. Join active communities and forums where developers share knowledge and solve problems together. Online courses provide structured learning paths from beginner to advanced levels. Use test networks to experiment without risking real money, allowing you to learn safely. Your path to becoming a blockchain developer is well supported and achievable with dedication.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.